Are you tired of losing deals because your contacts are scattered everywhere like a digital scavenger hunt? Well, buckle up because in the next 90 seconds, we're diving deep into Pipedrive's contact management system, transforming chaos into a well-oiled sales machine. First, let's find our contacts. See this Contacts tab on the left sidebar. Click it. This is where the magic happens here. You'll see a list of all your people and organizations. To add a new contact, hit the Add Contact button, fill in their details: name, email, phone number, all the essentials. Make sure to link them to the correct organization if they represent a company. Now, for organization, Pipedrive lets you segment your contacts using filters. Click Add Filter and you can sort by things like lead source, location, or even custom fields you've created. This helps you target your outreach more effectively. Next, activity tracking. Within each contact's profile, you can log calls, emails, meetings, basically any interaction you've had. This gives you a complete history of your relationship, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Speaking of emails, Pipedrive integrates seamlessly with your email provider. This means you can send and track emails directly from within the platform, and they'll automatically be logged in the contacts profile. Don't forget to add notes. Record key information from your conversations. This can be details about their needs, pain points, or even personal details. This helps build rapport and personalize your approach. Finally, link your contacts to deals. This connects the person to the opportunity, giving you a clear overview of the sales pipeline and how each contact contributes to your overall goals. By mastering these Pipedrive contact management features, you can optimize your outreach, nurture leads effectively, and close more deals. So, go on, get organized and start selling smarter, not harder.